So the question here is factor trinomial 5x square plus 7x plus 2. So if we need to factor the trinomial of the form ax square plus bx plus c, we need to apply the AC method. We need to apply the AC method. That means this find two numbers such that m plus n equal to b and m plus n equal to b and mn equal to a into c. We need to find two numbers m and n such that m plus n equal to b and mn equal to ac. So from our problem, it is 5x square 5x square plus 7x plus 2. This is our problem. So here we need to find two numbers m n such that m plus n equal to 7. M plus n equal to 7 and mn equal to a into c. So in the place of a it is 5 and in the place of c it is 2. So a into c which is 10. So I need to find two numbers which will give me product mn 10 and m plus n 7. So which are the two numbers which will give me product 10 and sum 7? So if I take 5 and 2, what is 5 cross 2? 10. What is 5 plus 2? 7. So both are satisfying my condition, no? So my two numbers m and n are m equal to 5 and n equal to 2. M equal to 5 and n equal to 2. These are the two numbers which will give me sum 7 and product 10. So first find those two numbers. Now take back your question. Your question is 5x square plus 7x plus 2. So 5x square plus 7x plus 2 equals, the first term you will write the same, the last term you will write the same. Now the middle term, which is 7x, write in terms of m and n. 7x write in terms of m and n. So m is 5x, mx plus nx, n is 2x, mx plus 2x. So it is correct only. 5x plus 2x is 7x. Now we will do the method of grouping. Group these two and group these two. So when you group the first two, you can take 5x out, which is a common term. So remaining will be x plus 1. Plus, if you group 2x plus 2, you can take 2 out. So remaining will be x plus 1. Now you look, what is the common term here? X plus 1 is the common term. So if you take x plus 1 out, remaining will be 5x plus 2. X plus 1 into 5x plus 2. X plus 1 into 5x plus 2. So this is how we will factorize an equation, a trinomial of the form ax square plus bx plus c. Now the next problem is question 15. Solve and graph the inequality (3 minus 5x less than or equal to 8). So our question is solve and graph. You need to solve the inequality, then you need to graph the inequality. 3 minus 5x less than or equal to 8. So 3 minus 5x less than or equal to 8. So solving the inequality means you need to keep x alone in one side. So first I will remove, look, if I need x alone here, I need to remove this 3 first. So first remove plus 3. How will you remove the plus 3? When you put a minus 3 here. So on both sides, I am putting minus 3. So that plus 3 minus 3 will cancel. So you will get minus 5x less than or equal to 8 minus 3, which is 5. Now, if you need x alone, you need to divide with minus 5. You need to divide with minus 5 on both sides. But if you are dividing with minus 5, if it is a less than or equal to b, and you are dividing or multiplying with minus 1 on both sides, your inequality will be reversed. It will be changed. So if you are doing minus 5 on both sides, what will happen to the inequality? Inequality will be reverted. So you have minus 5x less than or equal to 5. So you are dividing both sides with minus 5. So if you are dividing like that, your inequality should be, if you are dividing with a minus number, your inequality will be the opposite or reversed. So it becomes greater than or equal to x greater than or equal to minus 1. This minus 1 and minus 1 will be minus 5 cancelled, x greater than or equal to minus 1. Now you need to, this is the solution. Now you need to graph. You need to draw the graph of the inequality. X bigger than or equal to minus 1 means this is your per line. This is 0, 1. This is minus 1, minus 2, etc. Now here is x equal to minus 1. This is the point, x equal to minus 1. Now if you need x, all x bigger than or equal to minus 1 means it will come to the right side. Bigger will come to the right side. No? So all x bigger than or equal to minus 1. So this is graphing and solving the inequality. Now the next problem is simplify the complex rational expression one by x minus 1 by y by x plus x by y. You need to simplify this complex rational expression. So simplify means you need to make it small. So we are checking the question. It is 1 by x minus 1 by y in the up. And it is y by x plus x by y in the down. Now, if you check here, if you check this term, look, it is, the down is x here and it is y here. So they are not same. So we will find the LCD. What will be the LCD of LCD x comma y? LCD of x comma y will be xy, their product. XY. Same way, if you check the down, here also x and y is coming, no? So LCD of xy will be x into y. So after finding the LCD, multiply the LCD on both sides, on the up and on the down. This is your LCD. I am multiplying LCD with your up by multiply your LCD with your down. So your question will not change. It will not change your question. Xy cancel, you will get the same question. Now after multiplying, take this inside with each. Take that inside. So what happens? Xy into 1 by x minus xy into 1 by y. By down also you take it inside. Xy into y by x, xy into y by x plus xy into x by y. Now something can be cancelled here. Look, x cancel. Here y will cancel. Here x, x, and here y, y will get cancelled. So what will happen here in the, it is y minus x, y will remain minus x, so y minus x by y into y, which is y square plus x into x, x square. Y into y, y square plus x into x, x square. So this is the simplified form.